No change. The Federal Reserve holding rates steady in the range of 5.25% to 5.5%, but scaling back the number of rate cuts this year to 1 from 3. Though it was a very close call because 8 officials saw 2 cuts this year, while 7 saw 1 and 4 saw no cuts at all. Next year, officials have revised the number of cuts to 4 from 3 previously. This as officials raised their inflation forecast for this year to 2.8% from 2.6 previously, and changed key language in the statement from saying that there had been a lack of further progress towards the committee's 2% inflation target to there has been, quote, modest further progress. Now, officials again stated that they won't cut rates until they gain greater confidence that inflation is moving back to their 2% target. Now, the neutral rate, that's the rate that neither boosts nor slows growth, that was revised higher to 2.8% from 2.6% previously. Officials retained their outlook for the unemployment rate at 4%, which is the prevailing rate for unemployment right now, and they also retained their outlook for GDP at 2.1%. This decision was unanimous. Back to you.
Jen, let me get your take. I mean, listen, you know the Fed backwards and forwards. They hold rates steady. We expected that. They do indicate, as you noted, only one cut coming this year. So that's a change. As you read through this, Jennifer, what surprises you in this statement?
I think, Josh, if we look at the dot plot, there's a lot of division within the Fed. I mean, they were almost evenly split down the center. This could have easily been 2 cuts, right? There were 8 officials who saw cutting rates twice this year. And I think that CPI report that we got this morning probably influenced them because officials are able to make changes to their interest rate projections coming into that second day of the meeting. So it'll be interesting to see what Powell says during the Q&A here at 2:30, because he's going to have to walk the line of his colleagues. Is he a little bit more dovish? Which camp is he in? The 1, the 2? Probably not the 4 that say no cuts. The fact that we did see a change in language to now there's modest further progress from lack of further progress, I think that's a hat tip to this morning's CPI. Again, though, we're going to have to see more consecutive quarters of what we saw on CPI this morning for the Fed to feel comfortable to cut.
Jen, thank you so much. Appreciate it.